Here in this video we will see how can we make our theme for particular application. We will manage our theme and from the one file. So in the Redux, we have to make a new folder utils name. Inside them theme.js. So first we have to make a const theme variable. Inside that we can put our color. So this is very good practice for a big project. Okay, like a good project or industrial level thing. So you have to follow that kind of a structure mainly. And your primary color, your secondary color, because the all application have a combination of one two three colors. Yeah, so there will be like this. Sorry. Yeah, and background, and some color will be primary opacity also. Try to manage all kind of color hex code from there. You can put name, RGB color, anywhere you want to manage it from there. So I am giving primary color green, and secondary color is white, and here I am giving is RGB. Yeah, it is basically point no, it's a 0.2. It's a it's a yellow color like this, and background will be a white. Primary opacity will we can make some opacity color with green, so you can give it like this. So and that then we have to make a pages. So we are starting from the splash screen. We have to set up a roots also. So yeah, if you are looking for a snippet, so see the first video about Redux.js. I have show already there that about extensions and all Redux setup, so you can go and watch out that video. I will give the link in description also that. So there will be that splash screen. Yeah, so after we have to make routes also, the routes setup I will show. So here I have search React Native navigation. Go inside that, and you will go to try it. Sorry, this is, yeah. So no, like it's React Native sector. Yeah, we have that thing. So install this. Uh, Install this React Native screens. This is actually for only Expo. We have to install two more libraries for that also. Let's wait. Yeah, that one. So after that we have to stack thing, so that we are going to install go to first that one, and forgot about before step. You have to install that first, and then after you have to run we have run already this. Yeah, we have already run it. Yeah, so then we have to create like this. Just copy it complete code, and let's paste in the app.js application. uh, yeah, so it's done. my stack, and it's not like my stack. We have to change it to my stack to app name, because we are exporting our app component, right? So here, yeah, so that navigation setup is done. I'm just running the application. This will be so quick setup to run. In the meanwhile, let's create that splash skin also, right? There is splash, and there is a splash. What is means is splash screen? Nothing, just header shown. It's a simple like a first skin which shown on the app for for a particular seconds. So we have to change the screen after a particular time. Okay, so then we have to add a timeout function inside that for change the screen. It will be running in couple of seconds. Here we have to add a use effect inside that. Yeah, like that. It will execute when the component initialize first according to the life cycle, and then you can add a uh, set timeout function. The timeout will be a 1 second or even 2 second for that, and then you can navigate navigation dot navigate or replace, sorry, and first you have to import navigation here first. Yeah, then you can navigate it to the home page, right? So it's so simple, and there you can put our primary color, sorry, the flags one, right? And the background color, as I have told you, the theme color I am making put it. So theme dot primary. Okay, there will be a background color, and the text color will be our color dot white. We can put it. You can make number of styles from that, number of themes with that. Also, the real time changing theme you can make with that also. It's so efficient to make that. So now what will happen? Yeah, now according to the stacks skin we have written upper to the home skin, so first skin will be splash skin. Or also, if we want that default some give to the default initial screen, so we can give a initial route name also, that will be a splash. So now splash skin will be run first, then after that it will navigate to the home screen after 2 seconds. It's so that how it will gonna run. And also like meanwhile it's in running mode, so let's we can create a global styles also, like here global style.jsx. So export the global. So that's how it will go, and inside that you are writing like raw flags. It will be look like this. Then give that flags direction will be row, and flags one, and align item Align items should be center or some other direction. And justification, justify content. Yeah, justify content, sorry, it will be capital. Justify content also in a space between manner. Yeah, for an intermediate developer or for a beginner developer, you have to learn a syntax also. It will give you more helpful way to develop any application in a fast or rapid way. Then you can make a box style here, or make a button, right, or make a text input. So you can manipulate with the single file instead of writing any inline style. So it will make your code more efficient. It's a time efficient way to add a styling in it. Yeah, so that's how you can use it. And if you want to use that style from somewhere, or like, yeah, text style also, just give that way. That text style gonna look like color is black. Yeah, color is black. Font size is 16. Or and yeah, we will give font weight or anything if we want to give it. Pages for splash. Wait, home screen doesn't exist. Yeah, it's giving error. Wait, yeah, sorry. So we have to give a home screen also. Wait. Let's create home screen dot jsx home rnf. Yeah, it's home. Just like with the template, it's so easy and fast to create it. The profile screen, yeah, we have to remove it. So because we have, yeah, so see, this is a splash screen, and after it will go to navigate to the navigate, it's undefined. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. So instead of that, we can make navigation, use navigation, right? And the navigation dot replace with home. Identifier issue. Navigation isn't set up on that way. Okay. Yeah, so you can see it's working. It was a typo mistake of mine, like use navigation is a function. So it's a silly mistake, I know. But yeah, it's working. You can you it's replaced through home. It will go to first splash screen and replace in the 2 second of that. I have reloaded it. Yeah, yeah, after 2 seconds it's reloaded, and with the header you can see home. And that way, yeah. And like justify content center, and align item center will put the text in the center itself. And home also, we can give flags. Theme dot background, because background is white. Yeah, so that's how it will work. We can remove it. So yeah, that's it. This is a setup with complete routes. And this is a splash screen and theme. So this is a complete class of our efficient application routes. So thank you.